Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about we need to find exact the value of this one. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the power 2 and the square root. This one we can simplify, and we have log base number 3 of 48 with the square root 75. We know that the square root of 75, that is about 5 with the square root of number 3. So 48 with number 5 in here, you have 240. Now, for this one, we have the formula in here. F and A B. This is about natural law equals to L and 8 plus L and B. So this one that is about A, this one that is about B. So we need to transform this one into this one. So we have like this. So about 240, we can put like this. That is about number 3 multiplied by 2 to the power of 4 and number 5. And this one, we can put like this. For this one in here, we can apply the formula in here. So there should be like this. Now we have the formula in here. The first one, and the second one. So this one we have the same base number 3 and number 3 in here, and that's about the second one, and you got number 1. This one similar for the first formula in here. So the power of number 4 will go outside about log in here. So we have 4 log base number 3 of number 2. This one we cannot simplify anymore because this one is about 5. Number 5, this is about the prime numbers. So we cannot analyze anymore. The square root, that is about 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 I will put outside here. This one, that is about this one. And we have number 1. So 1 plus 1 over 2, we have 3 over 2. And here is the final answer. Question number 2. For this one, we can put like this. Now we have the formula. So B, that is about number 2. A, that is about number 5. Now we need to transform this one into this one. Now we have the second formula. So A, that's about number 2. B, that's about 5 to the power of 2. And if we transform this one into this one, we just have only 5 square in here. So we simplify, and this one we have 200. Now let's go to the last one. Number 8, that is about 2 to the power of 3. Now number 3 and number 3, we multiply each other and we have number 9. So we have the formula in here. That is about log base A of A to the power of B equals to BL log base A of 8. And this one we know that this is about number 1. So we have B. Now we need to transform this one and this one into this one. So we have like this. So we simplify this one and we have negative 18. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.